Hey guys, so spooky season is coming up. I know a lot of people like spooky season. I love the cute decorations and everything and seeing everyone's costumes. So what I wanted to do was design a spooky keycap with you guys using one of my characters, and let's just make something super cute. So I have some empty keycaps here, which we're going to make into spooky ones. So I have a few ideas. This one's quite hard to get her because it's going to be her face, but she's going to be holding the pumpkin. So it's quite hard to do. So I thought maybe if I just did her like whole face as 3D and then the pumpkin on top and her holding it might look cute. But this one is the frog. This is Ike one, which I think will be slightly easier in terms of composition and how it looks. So I'm going to start with this one and see where it takes us. So I started by rolling out the clay nice and thin, ready to put on the keycap. This is super important because you don't want them to like push against the other keycaps. So here I am just sort of cutting that out for you. Then I spread it on as smoothly as I can get it. Honestly, it's difficult and I'm still learning. Bit of trimming. So here I am putting on the eyes of the frog. I do change this later because I just didn't like how this looked when I first did it. I also don't know how to hold things in focus in the camera, so that's something I'm gonna have to work on. Then I made the little spooky pumpkin to go on. This came out so cute. I'm very, very proud of this small pumpkin. Then I started adding on Ike's little hands and pushing them into place and making sure they stay on and they hold the pumpkin. And then here we go. Look at him. I do change his eyes so much at the end, which you're going to see pretty much now. Here's him all done, ready, glazed, and on the keyboard. And we get to do tappies.